In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Shopify. Creating a campaign in Shopify helps you organize your marketing activities in one place so you can plan, launch, and track results without jumping between tools. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a clean, trackable campaign that fits your goals. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser and head to your store's admin. From the admin sidebar, look for the marketing section. This is your home base for planning promotions, running emails or ads, and seeing performance. Click Marketing to open the Marketing Overview. Next, find the Create Campaign button. It's typically near the top of the page. Click Create Campaign to begin. Shopify will prompt you to decide what type of campaign you want to run. Think about the main channel or objective you have in mind. For example, you might focus on email to announce a new collection, social posts to boost engagement, or ads to drive traffic to a sale. Choosing a type helps Shopify recommend the right activities and tracking, but you can still tailor the details to match your plan. Now enter your campaign name. Pick a name that makes sense at a glance. Including the goal, the channel, and a date can be helpful, such as summer launch, email 8 June. Clear naming makes reporting and teamwork easier down the line. Feel free to customize the campaign details as they appear on your screen. Depending on your setup, you may see fields for a description, tags, objectives, or a schedule. Use the description to spell out the purpose of the campaign, add tags that match your internal categories, and set any relevant dates if those options are available. None of this changes your store by itself. It just keeps your marketing organized. When everything looks right, click Save. This action creates the campaign and returns you to the marketing area so you can see it listed with your other work. From here, you can come back anytime to review performance or build out activities that belong under this campaign whenever you're ready. That's all there is to it. Open the Shopify website, click Marketing, click Create Campaign, choose the type that fits your goal, give it a clear name, customize the details you need, and save.